friends, welcome back to She's At It Again. My name is Tanya, and real quick, I promise it's quick, I'm going to show you a dessert that's a little like ice cream, but I can even show you how to make it dairy-free. Although I'm not making it dairy-free right now, I'll tell you what to replace for it. So the first thing is you need a high-speed blender. I honestly don't know if this would work with a regular blender, but I say, what do you have to lose? Give it a shot. The worst case scenario is it just won't be quite as smooth as if you use a Vitamix or a Blendtec. I have a Vitamix and I love this silly thing. And the first thing we want to do is start out with some pineapple. Now, I cut this pineapple up last night and this morning I popped it in the freezer. And these are the pieces that are kind of left on the edge of it. I have one of those really cool pineapple cores that slices it and does all kinds of fun things, but there's still some left in the edge. I don't waste anything. You know what I'm talking about. So I also have some pineapple left in here from when I did this last week. This stuff is so good. This is a lot like ice cream, but of course it's pineapple flavored. Okay, you can just see these little chunks in here. And yes, it's a frozen blob, but not so much that it won't come apart. Now, if you froze this for several days, it would probably be more in a blob. And if you have pineapple juice in the mix, that's totally fine too. It just adds to the flavor. Next thing I'm going to add to it is just a pinch of salt, only because pineapple's really super sweet. When I say a pinch of salt, this is 1/4 of a teaspoon, and you can see what a tiny amount it is in there. I just want to cut that immense amount of sweetness. A little bit of vanilla extract. This is not an absolute must, but I enjoy the taste of vanilla extract, and I make my own. So can't hurt. Next thing we're going to use, and the last ingredient, is heavy whipping cream. Now, if you have a dairy aversion, a dairy allergy, somebody who just can't handle the dairy, feel free to use the full-fat coconut milk. Look for the ones that don't have any guar gum or any xanthan gum in them. You can find them. It just takes a little bit of investigating. I've found them on Amazon before. I used to purchase mine from Azure Standard all the time, and I love that stuff. It's so creamy and rich. You can use it to make whipped cream, but basically it's going to be a replacement for this. So my container that I'm going to put this in only holds about 3½ cups. So I'm going to start out with about that much heavy cream. I may be adding more to it, but I just don't want to overfill my container. I'd have to eat all this, and that would be such a chore. Okay, let's get this mixed up. Sometimes it gets an air bubble down in the bottom of it. Now my heavy whipping cream is cold. Pineapple frozen, heavy cream, cold. Got a bubble in it again. I have one of those pushers that goes down in this. It sticks in the top and it doesn't touch the blade. It only touches the food. It works great, but I don't want to get it out. I'll add a little more cream to it. There we go. Okay. This is like a milkshake, but once I pour it in the container for freezing, it'll become a little more firm, more like ice cream. That's only because I added heavy cream to it. You could add orange juice to this. You could add all kinds of flavors to this, but whatever the mix. Oh my goodness. That is so yummy. The vanilla and the salt takes care of a lot of things. I'm telling you, that's the key to it right there is the salt. Okay, I'm gonna finish digging that out with a spatula. You don't have to watch that. I just wanted you to know my new ice cream secret. This is so good. Give this a try. Recipe will be in the description as always. We look forward to sharing something again with you real soon. Bye guys.